If you have fish at home, you need to try this fish sauce. It's so simple to make but very delicious. You can use this to eat your yam, your rice, your potatoes, your pasta, anything of choice. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this simple but very delicious fish sauce. So let's get started. So I started by boiling some mackerel fish. Here I have some mackerel fish which I've already added into the pot, seasoned with some seasoning cubes, fish seasoning and salt, and also added some chopped onions. I'll cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until it is done. So when the fish is cooked, take it out or bring it out from the pot. Then we go ahead now to debone this and shred it. I'm going to do this with my fingers. I will remove the bones and then shred the fish.
A sprinkle of time, a dash of peace. Gentle notes.
And after a few minutes, this is what we have. I'm done shredding the fish. So we go to the next step of making our sauce. Now to make the sauce, I'll place my frying pan or pot on the stove, allow it to dry, then I'll add in some cooking oil. Add about 1 or 2 cooking spoons of your vegetable oil or coconut oil, depending on the one you want to use. Then, and also the quantity of oil you're adding depends on the quantity of fish sauce you want to make. Heat up the oil, then add in some onions and fry.
Like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds and
Add some ginger and garlic. That's what I'm adding here. I'm adding ginger, garlic, and the salt, and keep frying. Fry for about 2 minutes before we go in with our chopped tomatoes and peppers.
harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh.
After mixing the peppers and tomatoes very well, I'll then season the sauce with some thyme, curry powder, and the seasoning cubes. Just use any seasoning of your choice, but keep it simple. Yeah.
Golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice.
I'll then stir and mix everything very well. Then cover the pot and allow this to fry and cook for some minutes, maybe 7 to 10 minutes.
Cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound. Where love for food is truly profound.
You can see how beautifully our sauce is doing. It's already looking very yummy. So I'll just stir this around again. Add it some stock or water. I have some fish stock from the fish we boiled or cooked earlier on. So I'll just add that to it. Then stir around again. Test it for salt and the other things, the pepper, the spices. If you're okay with it, then it is time to add the shredded fish. For me, I'm okay with this. The taste, the flavor, everything is amazing already. So I'll go in with the shredded fish, which is our star ingredient. Hope you're enjoying the video and I hope you're going to give this a try.
flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.
Then I will stir and mix this very well with a sauce or stew base. After which I will cover it and allow it to cook so that it can take in the stew for about 5 minutes before we show the final face.
Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound.
5 minutes later, our fish sauce is ready. This, the flavor here, this aroma, and even the taste, very inviting and amazing. But before we say our final goodbye, at this point, you can leave it like this, or you can go ahead like me and add some jara to it. So I just go ahead now and add some spring onions or green onions, like we call it. But you can use any other vegetable of your choice. You can use bell peppers. You can add it to that. You can add carrot if you wish to. But this is what I have at this point. So I'm using my spring onions. Stir this and our sauce is ready. You can enjoy this with your boiled rice, like I said earlier on. You can enjoy it with yam. It goes very, very well with boiled yam or boiled plantain. You can also enjoy this with pasta, macaroni, spaghetti, any of them. Here we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share the video, and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you all again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm